Hello and welcome. In this exciting baking adventure, follow Emma and her friend Mia as they prepare for the annual Great Bake Off. In part 1, you can listen and read along the story with me, and in part 2, you can try out the fun quiz to check your understanding. Are you ready? Let's begin. In a quaint little town, the annual Great Bake Off was the highlight of the year. Bake Off is a competition in which participants bake items to be judged. This year, the event was more exciting than ever, with contestants competing for the coveted golden rolling pin. Coveted means desirable or greatly sought after. As the sun rose on the day of the competition, the smell of fresh ingredients filled the air. Among the contestants was Emma, an enthusiastic baker known for her delicious oatmeal raisin cookies. She had her trusty mixing bowl and silicone spatula ready, along with her secret recipe hidden in her favourite cookbook. But something unusual happened as she prepared her dough. Her measuring cups went missing. Dough is the thick mixture of flour and liquid for baking. Panic set in as Emma searched high and low. She checked her kitchen drawer and even under the cutting board, but they were nowhere to be found. Meanwhile, her friend Mia, who was also competing, noticed Emma's distress. "What's wrong?" she asked. Distress means extreme anxiety, sorrow, or pain. "My measuring cups are gone, and I can't make my cookies without them," Emma exclaimed, her voice filled with urgency. Mia thought for a moment and said, "Let's solve this mystery together. We can't let anyone miss out on those cookies." The two friends teamed up to find the missing cups. They questioned other contestants like Jack, who was using a cake pan for his famous sponge cake, and Sarah, who had a baking sheet filled with colourful macarons. Contestant is a person who competes in a contest. Everyone was puzzled but offered to lend a hand. As they searched, they noticed a strange trail of flour leading towards the back of the kitchen. Following it, they discovered a mischievous little puppy named Biscuit, playing with the measuring cups. Biscuit had knocked them off the counter while chasing a rolling ball. Relieved and laughing, Emma picked up her measuring cups, now a little dusty. "Looks like Biscuit just wanted to join the fun," she said. With a quick rinse, Emma returned to her baking station, grateful for Mia's help and the new adventure. With her measuring cups back in hand, Emma mixed her dough with the electric mixer, adding in the oats and raisins. The aroma of cinnamon and vanilla wafted through the air as the cookies baked on her baking sheet. Finally, the moment arrived for the judges to taste the treats. Emma's oatmeal raisin cookies were a hit, and she was awarded the golden rolling pin. But she knew the true prize was the friendship and teamwork they shared that day. Hit means a success.